Hello, in this session we are going to talk about array concatenation. Two-dimensional arrays can be concatenated horizontally and vertically. If two arrays are given as x13 equal array 2 double brackets 4 5 2 1 and x14 array again 2 double brackets 15 16 is the first row and the second row is 12 10, array concatenation can be done using concatenate function. For vertical concatenation, parameter axis should be 0. So we have x15 equal concatenate. We have here a tuple as the first parameter, which is x13 and x14, and the second parameter is axis equal to 0. As I said, the first parameter is a tuple. The result will be an array which is concatenated. So the first row is 4 5, then we have 2 1, 15 16 from here, and 12 and 10. Let's minimize this and have a look in the spider. x13 equal array. We have double brackets here. The second line is here. Now, the first line we have 4 5, and here we have 2 and 1. We can see that here we have undefined name array. So let's import function array from numpy library. From numpy import array. Now red circle disappears. Also we have x14 equal array. Again we have open and close brackets. Then we have the first line and we have the second line. Now we have here 15 and 16 and 12, 10. Let's print them out. In the console, x13 equal and x13. Also, let's divide this. Copy and paste this. And instead of x13, put x14. Okay, we can see that x13 is here in the console, and they don't look very good, so it would be better to put a new line here. So the best way to do it is to put a slash here and n, which is symbol for enter, and slash n, which is symbol again for enter. We can see the values of x13 and we can see the values of x14. Let's concatenate them in vertical way. x15 equal concatenate. We have here a tuple x13 and x14. So we want to concatenate arrays x13 and x14. Concatenate in vertical way. The second parameter is axis equal to 0. We see again that the red circle here appears. So let's put here concatenate. And here the red circle disappears. We would like to print them out, the value of a variable x15. So let's copy and paste. Instead of x14, let's put x15. F5, and here we see that x15 is of type array again, but here the size of the array is 4 rows with 2 columns. Values are from the first array from x13 we have 4 5, then we have 2 1, then we have 15 16, and again 12 and 10, and here 12 and 10. So this is vertical concatenation. For horizontal concatenation, the second parameter should be 1. So x16 equal we want to concatenate x13 and x14. We want to concatenate them horizontally. So let's put axis equal to 1. And let's copy and paste these two lines. and put them here. Instead of x15, put x16. F5, and here we can see the values. 4, 5 here from the x13, and here 2, 1 again from x13. Here we have 15, 16 from x14 and 12, 10 from x14. Okay, the result is 4, 5, 15, 16 and 2, 1, 12 and 10. There is another way of concatenating arrays, which are vstack for vertical concatenation and hstack for horizontal concatenation. As was the case with the concatenate function, the first parameter should be a tuple which specified which arrays should be concatenated. Equivalent operation of vstack hstack with concatenate function will be x16 equal vstack x13 with x14. So let's put it here. x17 equal vstack. Again, we have here a tuple. x13 we want to concatenate with x14. And let's copy and paste. Instead of x16, let's put x17. We see here that we have undefined name vstack. So let's go to line 7 and put here vstack. Okay, everything is fine. And let's execute this small program and see that x15 is equivalent with x17. They have the same values. Now we want to have a look at hstack. Let's create a variable called x18 with hstack. What do we want to concatenate? We want to horizontally concatenate variables or arrays x13 with x14. And let's copy and paste these two and put x18 instead of x17. Again, it does not recognize hstack, so let's put it here. Now it's fine. And we can see that x18 is equivalent to x16 because it has the same values. And again here, hstack is equivalent with concatenate when the parameter axis is equal to 1. That's all for array concatenation. I hope you enjoyed. See you on the next sessions.